I think I can hear it now.
Yeah, it's on. The ratchet's on.
Okay, cool.
It is December 2021. We're in Laughlin, Nevada for the Snore Rage at the River.
We're going to get in our off-road vehicles today. And go at a high rate of speed around some dirt turns and get hella sicky gnar.
Gonna hit a couple hoops, hit a couple jumps. I'm just gonna sit in the passenger seat and tell Chris what to do.
Watch your teeth, I felt that. Jesus.
Awkward. Yeah, hi. Yep.
What's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah.
I can't tell you that.
Who are you?
Who the fuck are you?
Why are you here?
No, why you got a ratchet in my face?
I'm Chris Eisenhower. I'm racing a Ford OBS.
Wrong, kind of.
Yikes. Tell me.
My name's Chris Eisenhower. My name is Chris Eisenhower,
Okay.
and I drive a 69 Ford F100. There's like so much room.
Who are you?
Nobody.
Turn around.
Oh my God.
Tell us a little about yourself.
Come on. Who are you? What's going on?
I'm Danny.
Uh-huh.
What are you doing here? I'm gonna change the roles on you.
Shit.
So how you been?
I'm not racing today.
Redo. Okay. Hi. Yeah. Hi.
You wait.
Stupid idiot.
When do you go on?
When do I go on what? Stage?
We're done here. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. All right. And Dylan has left the building.
When you do that?
Is that thing actually functioning?
Yes.
Oh God.
Especially when you ratchet it.
So I think we're gonna try and patent it. It's both a microphone and a ratchet.
Ratchet phone.
I'm not done with you.
No, Darren went that way, so he's probably over there somewhere. Yeah. How about? Okay. Yeah.
He's wearing Ugg boots. Sir?
Here we are. This is the 10th year of racing Laughlin, Rage the River. I'll show you guys a picture of the first race out. Had a windshield in it. Still has California plates. And I finished 8th out of a field of, I think there was 60 trucks that year. And I was 1 spot ahead of the Eisenhowers. I plan on doing the same today, but with that first place. We're going to the old Petro station. In true scumbag form, I waited till I get to Nevada before I filled the truck up with fuel because gas is $1 a gallon cheaper here. So, and there's less ethanol in their fuel, so it'll be better for the truck. It's the business credit card. Not that I honestly have a business credit card. It's only 1 credit card. What do you think the max is going to be?
Gallons wise or price?
Price, I think it's only going to let me do $100.
How many gallons is that?
46? 45? 45 gallons. Oh, going on through. So fun fact, I think it was 4 years ago I was racing this race and I ripped an upper link out. It was for the championship that year, the second day of racing, and it was like, all right, well, you're done. Like there's no fixing that, so I just got the truck, limped it over to the highway, and I took the highway back. At the end of the race, they came over and they're like, what the? You're out there running on that highway and blah, 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 blah. You're not allowed to take an off-road vehicle on the highways in Nevada. What the hell are you thinking? I'm like, it's registered. It's California plated. Whoa. we're gonna give you a penalty. I'm like, no, you can't. I hopped on the highway, it broke, I was done. Like, there was no racing anymore. That was the safest way back. I would rather have done that than hopped on live race course and limped along the side of it. I was way safer being on the highway. Okay, well, we're gonna dock you a position. Anyways, ended up protesting it, but it did end up costing me the championship, me taking the highway back. I called 135 and it ended up being 140. Almost like I know this thing. All right, let's go back out.
What do you have to say?
I've already been talking.
Oh shit, I thought that was your face. Great, isn't this awesome?
And we just went right there, and I was like, hell yeah! And then right afterwards, I'm like, oh, okay. We put the door on, and here we go, my line.
Chris literally was like on it and it did like like lifted just a tiny bit, and that was like that little bit of jump. Because it was just like it was like spinning. It's like, go, go, go. And I think he like went to lift, trying to traction. And when we did that, just a little hesitation, like.
I didn't give it full throttle off the get-go. I've held the handbrake, which is why I went forward like 6 inches.
Saw that.
I was like, I was like, oh, pull harder. And I just brought it up on the converter, and I was just like, yeah.
What happened?
We went real fast, and the truck was doing really well. It was like a spaceship, kind of floating out there, negotiating the course, you know. And we won, so that was good. Day one. I didn't even know who was in second place, so I hope to see who it was tomorrow, maybe on the starting line again, and do it again. So the truck was real fast. Everything was working really well on it. 1447 truck did real well. So we're gonna go try and do it again tomorrow. There's a over-under on which bedside's going to live, or if either one of them will.
No bedsides.
So please input your decision now as to what you think will happen to my bedsides.
yesterday we started third, I believe it was, yeah, third. And at the end of lap 1, we ended up breaking the sway bar, unfortunately, just the arm. And luckily, GFO had one at their shop back in Ventura, so my stepdad Hayden and AJ loaded up and started heading that way, and they brought it back here around 4 o'clock in the morning or so. Slammed it on the truck. The rest of the truck was perfectly ready to go. We ended up unfortunately starting in the very back of the pack today. So we just made our way to as far as we could up front.
Just safely cruised. Like with not finishing yesterday, it wasn't worth like slingshotting ourselves to the front for nothing because we had a DNF already. So just kind of be safe, have fun, hit some big old jumps, hit some corners. Kept the truck in one piece so we can go to sand dunes or something like that.
Yeah. So
but other than that, pretty honestly kind of a mellow weekend. We all had fun.
Yeah.
Hanging out was good.
Yeah.
Food was good.
Yeah.
Camping was good.
Yeah.
All the trucks run, so.
All in all, a really good weekend. Truck's still in one piece, you know, and ready to go have some more fun.
We won.
We won. We won.
So started first, and honestly, the first couple laps were pretty fun. I was kind of driving a little fast, and then like third lap, I was like, you know, I should probably slow down a little bit. The truck had backfired a couple times on the end of going into the third lap. I don't know if it was like maybe a bad spark plug or maybe got a couple little dirty injector or something. But anyways, I started going up the uphill and it was backfiring a little bit, so I took it easy. Got the combustion temperatures down by the top of the uphill, which is hard to do, and it started running better. It wasn't backfiring anymore. It came back down. My buddy who went around me over there, I really wanted to race him, but I was trying to be an actual racer, and the facts were I beat him yesterday by over 20 minutes. So today I just had to finish within the 20 minutes of him yesterday, and I won the overall for the weekend. So kept it smart, kept it together, and we just cruised around for the last couple of laps. It was real easy to the old girl, and came home with the overall for the weekend. So something that's crazy, this was my first race with this truck with a V8 10 years ago, and that was my first time racing this race, so it took me a decade to win it. I have 5 or 6 podiums here, but I've never won, so I'm actually really stoked to get the win. So yeah.
Co-Dog, how was it?
Oh, it was great. Not too rough, nothing crazy. I lost hardware for my neck brace on lap 3, so that was fun. But other than that, she held together.
What happened to that side panel right there?
Oh,
Things.
things.
We don't worry about those. Hey Mark. Got something for you.
Twist the ratchet. Twist the ratchet.
Please like and subscribe.